Today is Wednesday, March 19th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And it is the last day of winter. Spring officially arrives tomorrow. And nothing says sayonara like a blizzard happening across the central and northern plains and some severe weather happening for parts of the Midwest. This is spring after all, and we got all the different seasons clashing together on this Wednesday. So let's take a look at that on the map. Strong area of low pressure pushing up through the southeastern corner of Iowa today. On the north side of it, heavy snow, some accumulations in excess of a foot. We got strong winds gusting easily 40-50 miles per hour, sustained at 25-30 miles per hour, and that's why you have the blizzard conditions here in that thin stripe to the northwest of that area of low pressure. And then just southeast of the center, where the winds are spinning and they've got strong south winds, just outside of Chicago, there's a chance for severe weather today. So all the elements of the seasons clashing together here in the middle of the country. I mean, look at this, 39 and falling in Minneapolis, and with heavy snow and gusty winds, and really not that far away in Chicago, we peak in the 60s with a chance for some scattered thunderstorms. Showers in Grand Rapids and maybe a couple showers late in the day in Detroit with highs in the 60s, and right around 70 in Cleveland with sunshine giving way to some clouds. Scattered thunderstorms coming in late in the day for Cincinnati, pretty about early afternoon for Louisville. Same for Nashville with highs in the upper 60s and low 70s, 75 to almost 80 as you can move from St. Louis to Memphis. So this cold front's going to come through. That area of low pressure is going to zip on by. It pulls in some cool air behind it. We see those temperatures falling, but nothing dramatic here. We may be a little bit colder early next week, and that's kind of what things are pointing at, is a colder than normal start to the month of April, which is not that far away, by the way. In Chicago, we got 60s today, but 40s tomorrow. Little bump back into the 50s here on Friday, but back down into the 40s for highs as we head into the weekend. Sliding southeast, and we are in the 70s from Washington, D.C. to Savannah. Lots of sunshine, just a few scattered clouds. Atlanta, Georgia, almost 80 degrees. We got 80 degrees in New Orleans, 70 in Dallas, and we got low 80s, maybe even mid 80s as you move down the Florida Peninsula. We are going to cool down in the southeast, so after this cold front comes through with some showers, we are going to expect highs mainly in the 60s here for the remainder of the 7-day forecast. In Fort Lauderdale, it is comfortable this morning. It'll be sunny and warm this afternoon. A little bit of a wind, about 10 miles per hour. That may feel a little bit cooler if you're not in the sun. 71 and mainly clear skies going into this evening. You got nice warm air moving in for Thursday, but that'll be followed by that push of cool air coming in Friday, recovering into the mid and upper 70s for the upcoming weekend. All right, that's your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great rest of their week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.